Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. So in our last video, we have seen that how we can add different folder structure in document management. In this video, we'll see how we can use design collaboration option in BIM 360. So right here at the left top corner, if I'll drop it down, I'll click on design collaboration, let it load, then we'll discuss. So design collaboration normally we do in different kind of services, and we'll see in that one that how we can design, how we can collaborate in between different kind of services. So I'll cancel this one as of now. I'll close this one as of now as well. So this kind of pop-up will be open. If this kind of pop-up is not opened, means in design collaboration options, the setting option is not highlighted. So please make sure that your setting option is also highlighted in design collaboration. Right here, it is showing different kind of options. If I click on project, then it is showing the general information of the project. Then we can add it from right there as well. But right now, that's not our concern. In Teams, we'll discuss in this video only. So, what does it mean by teams? Teams means, as I already told, that in design collaboration option, design collaboration feature of BIM 360, we normally collaborate with different kind of services. It means different kind of teams. Suppose architecture has different team, MEP has mechanical has different team, electrical has different team. How we can collaborate in between these services? So for that one, we'll assign the teams for those ones in BIM 360 as well. So if I'll click on add team right there it is showing welcome to design collaboration administrator, and we can read those kind of things. But right now I don't want to read that one. So get started. Right now we can see that the default folder structure for the shared folder from different teams will be right here in project files and shared one. I'll click on continue. I'll click on continue right there. This kind of option will be highlighted. I'll click on select existing folder. Select existing folder means the folder that I already created will be shown right there. I'll click on this icon, drop down icon, in work in progress. I have different kind of folder structure that I already created. I'll click on architecture, and it will create the it will create the folder named architecture and shared folder. I'll click on that one, add teams right there, and it's creating that one. Yeah, it's already created right here. We can also see one more option that is coordination space right here. We'll discuss in this video only about that one. But suppose if I'll close this one as of now. Right now we've created the architecture folder, and what is the another way to create the teams that we'll see. If I'll click on add teams again, right there we can see enter a team name. It means we can enter a particular team name as well if we do not want to show that particular folder's name as per the service name. Okay, what we have seen right now, if I'll click on sorry if I click on select existing folder, it will take the actual name of that particular folder that will select, correct? But suppose if you do not want that one, then we can name it right there and we can add that particular folder with customized name as well. And we can do that thing as well. But right now I'll go with select existing folder, WIP, electrical, yeah, add team, electrical will be added, and we'll add two more. Yeah, electrical is added. I'll go with another one. Project files, work in progress, mechanical, add. You can see the file path is also shown right there, that which folder we are considering as the reference one. Okay, the last one is remaining, plumbing. Uh, Yeah, perfect. I'll click on close. So I created four folders in shared folder as well. We'll see in shared folder. But right now, I want to discuss about the coordination spaces. What does it mean? Coordination spaces we can discuss in model coordination right there as well. So we'll discuss about that one in our next video. I'll give you a brief about the coordination spaces in this video. It means if you are sharing something, like I have shared the architecture model, I have worked on architecture model, and I wanted to coordinate with electrical, mechanical, plumbing, then the spaces will be created on BIM 360 itself. In detail, we'll see in our next upcoming video. Right now, I wanted to show you in design collaboration, not in design collaboration actually, it'll be shown in document management. So I'll click on docs and we'll see that how it'll be shown after using the design collaboration option in our folder structure. So let's see. Let it load first. It'll take a little bit time. So what we have done as of now that we have collaborated with different kind of teams, what we can say the services as well, and their file will be shared, consumed, those kind of things. We'll say in this one. So right now we can see we did not create any shared folder manually. It is created because we have given the teams to particular member. But right now, what is the good thing is that one we only created these folders. If I click on the architecture, I can see consumed folder inside that one that we did not create. So that is the unique thing that is done by design collaboration. What will happen in these two folders? If I'll drop it down as well, these four folders are of these four services. We can, we have given the add team option, select the folder. So we given the particular folder, the name is right there. On that basis, we can rename it right now as well. Uh, yeah, you can see it from right there as well. But right now we are not renaming. That's not the big concern. Big concern is that when whatever we are publishing in our architecture model, it will be directly shared in shared folder of architecture, and we can consume it from right there to our different services consumed folder. Okay, we'll see that thing when we'll create a project on BIM 360 from Revit, and we'll see how we can publish the things in detailed manner. So that is all about document management, design collaboration as of now. We'll discuss about model coordination in our next video. So thanks for guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.